Right here is our 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance, and in this video we're going to be replacing the cabin filter, which are right here from Tesla. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the floor mat, and then we're going to have to remove this. Just be careful. There's clips. There we go. So I've got the T20 right over here, and we're just gonna take this one out. That was me tightening it, oops. Take this bolt out, just like this. This plastic piece comes out right here. It's a bit dusty. You can see we've got the cabin filter. The arrow is pointing towards the interior. It's not easy to take out because there's two of them. Oh, I know why it doesn't work, because we're supposed to remove this as well. Got some plastic clips in here. Just gonna pull it out. One over here as well. So probably take this out first before the carpet siding. There we go. I think now we should be able to just pull this out just like this, and we can just put it aside, okay? Just like this. Now I should be able to pull this out, maybe from the top. Okay, so the top one comes out first, it looks like. So here's the used one. The arrow is pointing towards the interior. There it is. Then we have the last one right over here, which was it's kind of on the ground actually, so I don't know if they're above one another. I think that's what they are. They're above one another. So there it is. This is the other one, again arrow pointing towards the interior. Here's the other side. Here we got the brand new one right over here. Here's the used one. Arrow towards the interior of the car. Let's go ahead and push this in. It's a bit hard to get it aligned, and then once it's in there it drops down just like this. So I put it there again, arrow towards the interior. Not sure if we can squeeze it too much. Okay, I think I got it. Now we're gonna push it. Okay, there we go. So we have the top one here, again, nicely in, and the arrow is towards the interior. So that one goes in, and then this one goes above, I guess. That's what it looks like when it's all installed. Now we're gonna take this, just like this, take our screw. And there we go. Now we're gonna put this back on. Actually, no, let's try to put the carpet on, because I think we were supposed to take this off before the carpet. Here we have it. Let's try to slide this in. I think so. I think this is supposed to come out first, and then the carpet, and then this top, I mean. So take that out because it got stuck in here. There we go. All right, now this is all installed properly. Then we take this and we install this back in. There's this thing, I think it goes inside here just like that. So we have a pin for this side. Third one and the fourth right here. There we go. Now we can just put the floor mat back in. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the vehicle settings, service, maintenance, and here we have cabin air filter, which was supposed to be replaced back in June. As you can see here, it is September now. And this one, oh my god, this car, it's every 2 years. It's not like the Model X. So this car's cabin filter has not been replaced for extra year. Oops. I mean, it didn't give any warnings, and so replace the cabin air filter to prevent pollen, industrial fallout, road dust, and other particles from entering. Next maintenance recommendation based on filter health score. Let's hit record. You can see it shows the mileage over here. You are about to create a record in the vehicle's service history which will update the next recommended service date if applicable. Cabin air filter replacement, 14 September 2025, 57,474 kilometers. You won't be able to modify or delete the entry, and this information will persist with the vehicle. So let's hit confirm. And as you can see, the HEPA filter we just replaced, we'll have a video for that as well, also on the Model X. And you can see over here, the cabin air filter needs to be replaced on 15 September 2027, maybe even earlier, but nothing later than that. But yeah, so that's that. Now let's try to see what it looks like. And the reason it's red like this is because we're in Mars mode. But let's try to feel this clean air.